Hair loss is a daunting experience that every woman in her life has faced at some point or the other. I, for one, faced a huge amount during the lockdown where my hair fell at an alarming rate. But with the help of certain power-packed hair masks that target instant hair regrowth, I was successfully able to reverse this severe hair loss, and I'm here to share my powerful concoctions with you, so let's get started. Methi seeds are rich in folic acid, vitamin A, vitamin K and vitamin C that help your hair stick to its roots and not fall off. For this super easy and effective hair mask, soak methi seeds overnight. Grind this into a paste and mix 1 tablespoon of castor oil and aloe gel. While the seeds strengthen your tresses, the castor oil and aloe gel work as excellent hair conditioners, keeping frizz and breakage at bay. You can do this twice to even thrice a week for best results. Black seeds contain antioxidants and antihistamine components which move the dormant hair follicles towards growth and hence are a popular pick for hair loss masks. For this mask, you'll need a tablespoon of black seeds and fenugreek seeds which have to be grinded into a fine paste. To this, add a tablespoon of honey, olive oil, which is an excellent ingredient to stimulate hair growth. Once this mix is all ready, apply this over your damp hair, keeping it for a good 20 minutes and then washing it off with a mild shampoo. If you're facing scanty hair growth, then onions are your calling. The sulfur contained in it helps in the production of collagen, and the nutrients help strengthen the tresses, all the while adding a blinding shine. For this hair strengthening mask, all you need to do is blend 3 tablespoons of onion juice with 10 curry leaves, which is another miracle ingredient that will help stop hair loss. Once done, add about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil to this. Apply this all throughout your scalp and then keep it for 20 minutes. Do this every week and we promise that hair fall will become a thing of the past. As amazing as it is for your skin, green tea does wonders for your hair as well. It contains EGCG, which helps prevent androgenic alopecia and even helps in the regrowth of lost hair. For this incredible hair rinse recipe, combine 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar with a cup of cooled green tea. After your usual hair wash, pour this throughout your hair and comb it out. Leave your hair as is without rinsing it after for strong and shiny tresses. As you know, we here at Glamorous love our aloe, and for good reason why. It contains enzymes that repair the dead cells on your scalp and even help with hair growth. This recipe requires 1/4 cup of aloe vera gel, 2 teaspoons of fenugreek powder and 2 tablespoons of castor oil, and then blend all these ingredients together for your hair pack. You can even mix some mashed bananas to add a boost of moisture. Apply this on your dry hair, keeping it for an hour and a half and then washing it with a mild shampoo. If you are battling hair fall, then trust me when I say this, you don't need to look any further because these masks have you covered. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.